Hey, what's up, man?
Crazy, how?
I'm on the Barefoot Trial today.
Oh, that's tight.
Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, man? I'm Brian.
So, my name is Hack, dog.
Hack?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Let's go. What you got going on today?
I got some shit to take care of.
Anything you need a good lawyer or assistance with? Because, you know, we do those things.
Yeah, I know. He told me.
The jury is your friend. We will make the pain end. So what are your final thoughts today before you go into trial, Mr. Brandt?
I'm nervous.
Are you?
Yeah, I always get nervous. Trials. You know, this is, you know, it looks like a lot of fun and a lot of glory when you're screaming at the cops on the street and telling them to go fuck themselves, right? And it is, actually. But there's, like, consequences, you know?
Right. There's a lot of long hours that get put in.
Yeah, this case is 18 months old.
Right.
And, you know, David Lane's office, he's got 2 lawyers sitting in there for $10,000 a day that he donated to my cause. And, you know, you don't want to forget those kind of contributions. And how many people were sitting in the courtroom yesterday?
Almost a dozen.
That were persistent. I mean, there were so many lawyers that came in there.
Yeah, we talked to some this morning asking if they were going to come listen to closing arguments.
And there are lawyers in there already to listen to closing arguments. And, you know, so you're looking at a lot of men that are invested in liberty. Liberty's not free.
Right. So, assuming that we get a big W on all 3, right, that we get the sweep, then this is going to be recognition that we move forward to truly repeal the barefoot law clauses
that process is actually, believe it or not, already in process at different levels with the board of directors of RTD. It's at that level now.
Okay.
So I do think that that's going to be repealed soon.
Okay.
And I don't think that it would have been if I hadn't done it.
Right. So this is what First Amendment free speech action and intentional protesting looks like, right?
Yeah.
Because you made a plan. You knew what you were doing when you went and followed out the rule.
This morning.
Nice seeing you.
It was good to see you yesterday.
Were
you a victim advocate yesterday, or were you just observing?
Actually, I was helping
you were
with witnesses.
Oh, okay.
Till my coworker got here.
Gotcha. It was good to see you yesterday.
Thank you. Nice
See?
She's a victim's advocate here, and so I've been seeing her for years.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. And you do build such a strong relationship with so many people.
I do.
Because as much as you're on the street, you're in this building and
I was building a lot
throughout the where you get videos, where you get the victim's advocate, and I want to remind everybody, because we're not live, but we're gonna post this. Yes, that we need people to be contacting the victim's advocate in our next case.
Let me grab a button from us. I don't have them in my pocket, but we got buttons for you.
So the victim advocate is another person who's going to play an important role in the Inglewood case.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get that far.
Yeah?
Really?
Okay. Well, people could be sending letters there currently, right? Now here's the interesting thing, and you go, but here's what we're going to do, folks. By 10:30.
Yesterday.
Yeah, he did. So tomorrow or today, by 10:30, we expect that this will be out, and it will be a jury deliberation before 10:30.
It's possible.
That's our hope.
Yeah, I'm not going to make the decision as to whether or not I testify until. Oh my God! It's News Now, Colorado. That button. Sorry.
That also is a that lady right there is a district attorney as well, city attorney's office. Just walked by.
There's 2 cops in black hoodies walking around.
Of course they are, but don't worry. We have full control over this place. The reason that they're uptight today is because Amanda Chilton threw a snot in the courtroom yesterday. So it's all good. We know what to expect here.
Figure out what was really going on, and it was all cool with me. It happens.
The beautiful thing is that all of this is under our protected actions, and there's a dance that happens. Recording or anything at this point, I could just be holding a camera and talking like nothing's going on.
I mean, we went to, I don't know if you saw the stream when I took Terry to the...
And used a hairbrush?
No, to the county attorney. And we're like, we want that video that Bonner was taking. And she goes, well, how do you know that he was taking a video? Because he's holding his phone like this, right? Yeah, what do you think he's doing? Text messaging his mother?
Right.
right? You don't need to actually see the milkman in your bed when there's full boss of milk and his underwear in your bed.
Wow.
You know the milkman was there. You don't have to actually see it.
Okay.
Right? It's called making a logical inference.
Okay.
I just think it was funny that they said, well, we don't know that he was recording. What did he think he was doing?
Right.
Using it as a mirror to print his face? I mean, come on.
No. But we do need to go back into the courtroom and be prepared. So thank you guys. Hopefully you'll see some today. And that's where we're going to leave it.